Hey guys, welcome to my birthday vlog this year, 2024. So let's go! So yun guys, I celebrated my birthday this year in the New York Times Square. New York Times Square look-alike or version of the Philippines. And na walang iba kundi ang Bonifacio Global City. Ayan. And to those who are asking guys if who this cute little baby, this cute little baby is my pamangkin. Yes, one of my nephew. And so yeah. And on this part of the video, ayun, papunta na tayo sa first station of the train. Charot. Ayan, so first station tayo. Ayan, which is yung fountain na to. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa fountain na to, guys. Ayan, kayo na lang bahalang mag-name sa kanya. Ayan, and super enjoy yung batang makulit. Ayan, chares. Ayan, so ayaw niya maglakad kaya kinarga natin. And yun, kunwari, papaswimming natin siya dyan sa fountain. Ayan, so charan, ayan. Ayan, so first time niya nga palang makapunta dito guys sa New York Times Square version ng Pilipinas, ayan, or the BGC, the Bonifacio Global City, ayan. So, congratulations on your first time visiting the New York Times Square of the Philippines, or the BGC, Bonifacio Global City, ayan. Chares.
Picture na, can you say about the fountain? Ano masasabi mo? Ha? Amazing. Wow! Wow! Inanto ka naman ah.
That's all for the station 1 guys, and now let's proceed to the next station, which is the second station or the station 2. Charot. Ayan, so next station, ay wait, may nadaanan pala kaming mga Dragon Balls, pero hindi ko na nabilang kung 7 yung Dragon Balls na to. Chares. Ayan, so pero hindi color red. Tama ba? Color red ba yung Dragon Balls? Ayan, hindi color red yung mga nadaanan namin na Dragon Balls. So, dalawang color siya. Color black and color white. Ayan, dito na tayo sa second station, guys. Ayan, so, another fountain for the second station. Ayan. So, meron dito yung, ay, fountain ba? Charot. Ay, tama. Fountain naman. Ayan, so, meron dito yung parang cup. And then, sa kabila naman is ayan, parang plato. Ayan, plato yun sa kabila. Yun sa kabila naman, mangkok. Charot. Ayan, so as you can see, super enjoy na naman ang bata. Yung totoo, siya talaga yung may birthday, hindi ako kasi siya yung nag-enjoy ng bongga. Charis. Ayan, so the second station with the cup and plato fountains, charis, and the Dragon Balls. Ayan, so another Dragon Balls dito guys with the black and white. Ayan, black and white Dragon Balls. Gusto niyang iuwi yung mga Dragon Balls. Ayan, tingnan mo. Pinalikan pa talaga. Kailangan daw mahawakan niya lahat. Ayan, meron pa dito sa kabilang parts. Ayan, there are Dragon Balls everywhere. And yeah, let's proceed to the next station. Ayan, so station 3 na tayo guys. Now, let's go to the station 3. Pero before makapunta sa station 3 or sa next station, ayan, kailangan tumawid dito sa may, ayan, I don't know what street is that or what avenue. Ayan, so sa next station, madadaanan natin yung Bonifacio High Street signage or naman tawag doon. Basta yun na yun. And yan, as we go to the third station, ayan, here we are. Ayan, nag-inarte pa yung batang makulit. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa third station, guys. Charan. Yan, we're now heading ba or footing, charat. And we're now heading to the third station, next station, which is another fountain. And this time, guys, ayan, fountain with chandeliers naman ang atake. Ayan, ang paandar for this, for the third station ability. Ayan. Ayan, super ganda niyan in person, just like me. Charat, charis lang. Ayan. So, yun, super clap ang bata at ang isip bata for this awesome and amazing third station with the fountain with a chandelier. Ay, chandeliers since madami ganun siya. Ayan, so anyway, punta tayo sa kabilang side. Ayan, so here's the road, charis. Here's the street, charing. Here's the avenue, char. Ayan, so dito sa may gilid na part, meron ditong lake, charot. So yun guys, papunta lang tayo sa kabilang part nung fountain with chandeliers or yung sa station 3 natin. Ayan, so maganda dito, mag-picnic ganyan since ayan may grass na ganyan. Ang tawag dyan, lemongrass pa, charot. And so anyway, this is the view on the other side of the station 3, charis. O charing ko lang yung station number ha. Ayan, tawag ko lang yan since hindi ko pa alam yung tawag. Ayan, so anyways, this is the other side, the other views of the fountain with chandelier on the station 3. Ayan, so super ganda niyan guys. Malabo lang talaga yung camera ko. Ayan. Anyways, ayan. So, kaya super enjoy ang bata at ang isip bata. Charan, ayun. Gusto niya na mag-swimming dyan actually. So, yun. Lakad-lakad. Kunwari, ayan. Tapos, yun na. Ayaw niya pang umalis, guys. Ayan, so, yun. O, diba? Ayan, so, I guess, papunta na tayo nito sa next station, which is, bumalik, sorry, ayan. So, running back, ayan. So, gusto niya bumalik-balik dyan talaga. Ayan, gustong mag-swimming, ayan, sige, go. Charot. Ayan, super ganda kasi talaga dyan. Ayan, so, yun. Aliw na aliw siya sa mga chandeliers. Tsaka sa fountain. Ayan, anyway, let's go to the next station. Before the fourth station, ayan, napagod yung batang makulit. So, we have to sit down here. Ayan. Charan. Okay, that's all for station 3. Ayan, so we're now going to the next station, Charis. And pero along the way, ayan, dito niya gustong maglakad sa mga bato. Ayan. O, diba? Ayaw papaawat. Oo. Gusto maglakad sa mga bato. Ayan. Ayaw niya dito sa matinong daanan. Jiva. Ayan. So, go. O, diba? Ayan. So, before we go to the fourth station, guys. Ayan. So, meron ditong mga upuan, mga tables, ganyan. Ayan. So, we go here muna for a simple charot. For a rest. Ayan. So, since malayo. Charin. Ayan. So, ayan. Another avenue or street before the next station. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa next station, guys. Next station na. Tama. Fourth or fifth station. Charis. Ayan. So, ay tama. Fourth station pala. Ayan. So, sa first station, merong giant. Anong tawag dito? Ayan. So, kayo na din mag-research, guys, kung anong tawag dyan. Ayan, Charis. Ayan. So, standees. Ayan. Big standees of a beer. Tama ba? Beer ba to or what? Ayan. So, yan. Enjoy din siya dyan. Ayan. Ayan, that's all for the fourth station. And we're now going to the next station or the fifth station. Ayan. So, let's go. Ayan, grabe yung tingin niya talaga sa mga bato. Bato ni Darna, Charis. Ayan, so we're now departing, Charis, to the next station of the Busan train, Charat. Ayan. Ayan guys, as you can see, dyan niya talaga gusto maglakad sa mga batuhan sa gilid. Ayan, ayaw niya maglakad dito sa may sa plain lang na lakaran. Ayan, here we go with the fifth station. Tama ba, fifth station? Ayan, dito tayo sa fifth station. Yung may mga, ayan, super allure siya dito guys. May mga lumalabas na maliliit na, anong tawag to, water fountains. Ayan. So, gusto niyang lapitan pero bawal since walang nadalang extrang damit. Ayan. I forgot to advise them to bring extra clothes for this. Ayan. So, yun. O, diba? Ayaw paawat. Gusto maligo. Gusto magbasa. Ayan. Hala. Grabe. So, that's all for the sixth station. Ay, sixth ba or fifth? Ayan, for the fifth station pala, guys. Ayan, so, ayan, now we're we're going to the sixth and last station na ata. Ayan, so, before we go to the sixth and last station, ayan, nagpahinga muna tayo dito sa may upuan, papuntang sixth and last station. Ayan, so, yun. As you can see, super pagod na ang mga persons kasi ang layo. Yan. So, dito na tayo guys sa pinaka-last station na pinuntahan namin. Ayan yung may 3D LED light. And dito na rin natin nakita yung surprise gift sa akin ni God na walang iba kundi si actor Jo Marie Angeles. Ayan. So, Jowa Reveal, Charis. Ayan. So, hello po, Sir Jomar Angeles. Thank you so much po. Ayan. And happy birthday to me.